In this video, I'll be sharing with you websites that will actually pay you about $100 into your local bank account. Now, these are 4 websites, but the last website is the website that I have actually been working on for the past 4 years. So you would like to stick with me to the end of this video so that you will see my payment proof and the proof of evidence that I have been receiving tax from this particular website for the past 4 years. Welcome back, guys. This is Kemi of Self Hustle. On this channel, we create content about how you can make money online, remote jobs, life-changing opportunities, and how you can succeed with your financial goals. If this looks like something you love, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video. With that being said, let's head straight into the video. Now, this website, our website that will actually give you simple tasks to do. Now, you don't require any skill, you don't require any investment, you don't require any certificate to work on this particular website. In fact, you do not require any degree to work on this particular website. These websites are websites that will pay you. The payment might not be much, but they will pay you to do simple tasks. Simple tasks like data collection, data clarification, research, data handling, taking surveys, dropping your reviews, liking an Instagram account, commenting, subscribing, following. These are simple tasks that will pay you in dollars. The money might not be much, but if you're able to sign up on this 4 platforms, because there are all micro jobs or micro tax websites, if you're able to sign up on those 4 platforms, be rest assured that at the end of the month, you'll be making nothing less than $100 or more into your local bank account. Now, for you to work on this website and make this type of money, you need to be consistent. You don't just do the jobs for a day and just go. Now, if you're done with the job on the first platform, you head straight to the second platform. If you're done there, you head straight to the third platform. If you're done there, you head straight to the last platform. Now, these are platforms that will always upload their jobs or always upload the tasks they have. This is just you helping business owners or industry owners to make their jobs more easier. You attend to their surveys and make sure that they know what you think. You test out their new product, their new website, and tell them what exactly you think about this product or this particular website. So with that being said, guys, let's head straight into it. The first website is called Mtook. Now, Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is a particular AI platform that you work with. Now, let me show you what the platform actually looks like. Mtalk is Amazon Mechanical Turk, and they're actually like a subsidiary of Amazon. Now, what they do is Amazon Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. Now, you don't even need to be present to actually work on Amazon Mechanical Turk. This could include anything from conducting simple data validation and research. Now, these are benefits of choosing Mtook as a brand. You optimize efficiency, you have increased flexibility, and also you reduce costs. Optimized efficiency is when you get workers to work for you virtually instead of looking for individuals to work physically. And then you reduce your cost. The amount you pay workers on Amazon Mtook is actually lower compared to having physical workers. Now, this is how it works. All you just have to do is to request for a way. Now you request and sign up on their website, and then you join the marketplace, the Mtook marketplace, and the next thing is you get connected to people and start making money. There are a lot of institutions that have actually worked with Amazon, like this Alien Institute for Artificial Intelligence. They have actually worked with Amazon Mtook. Now, this US Food as well has actually worked with Amazon Mtook. Now, all you have to do is to go on this website called mtalk.com and actually sign up. It is an easy website to, navigate because it is a legit website. It is also an Amazon company. If you know Amazon is a really big marketplace. So it is an Amazon company for you to know that it is legit. Now, the second platform is Clickworker. Now, Clickworker is actually a crowdsourcing platform where you also do simple tasks like analyzing AI, responding to AI, and doing surveys. I'll show you guys what the platform looks like in full. So this is what Clickworker platform looks like. It said make money from anywhere, anytime. People are happier if they are more financially independent. We can help you achieve this if you join our strong community and make money easily and safely from wherever you want. You are important to us. In our community, everyone is an important part and makes their individual contribution. For this reason, we are able to offer diverse and good jobs. Now, be part of a community, of a great community, work with us and shape the future. In fact, it also says that we can't do this without you. Now, this is a great community. These are reviews from people. They have high-end technology. Now, this website is a state-of-art website. Whether you are, it's a state-of-art technology. It is high availability guaranteed. They have a lot of offers for you on this their platform. It says our modern server housing ensures that we guarantee you stable performance and availability on our platform. No matter where you're working from, you are at the state of art technology. It has high availability. Now it has about 4.5-star rating. All you have to do is to do micro taxing jobs that are actually made for you. We don't just provide easy click jobs, but other interesting and fun to do tasks, as well as shaping the future and participating in AI training. Now what you do is to participate in AI training. This is where it says earn money with micro taxing. Once your work is finished and approved by the client, you can receive regular and secure payment with ease. Your payment from their website is actually secure. They are not owing anyone. It says secure payment providers like PayPal and Payoneer. So if you are signing up on this website and you're from Nigeria, you can actually use Payoneer if you do not have PayPal. It also says that they help you keep your data safe. At ClickWalker, we take data privacy very seriously. We have developed our platform to ensure that your privacy is always protected to the best of our ability. So this is like a workforce. It is a workplace where you work. They have an account balance always on Insight. You're free to choose your working time. They have their help desk support in case you have issue, and this website actually works on an iPhone or an Android phone. So you can download their website on Apple Store or on Google Play Store, depending on which one you want. This website is super simple to work on. You have the flexibility of time. You can choose the time you want to work on your own. Nobody is owing anybody, and then they pay out weekly. So their website actually pay you weekly for the jobs you do. Third one is called Lion Bridge. Lion Bridge is not as popular as Clickworker, but they pay more. You have more relative payment on Lion's Bridge, but the jobs are not every day. So you get to see maybe 2 tags or 3 tags on Lion Bridge every day. Also on Lion Bridge, I think you can also play game on Lion Bridge and you get paid with the game. You can also attend to contests on Lions Bridge and get paid. The last but not the least is called Happen. If you are an OG on this platform, you know that I've actually talked about Happen.com before. Happen.com actually accepts more of Nigerians or more of Africa. I have actually talked more on it, and I will show you guys evidence of how I have received jobs and their payment on Happen.com. Happen.com is also a crowdsourcing platform where you can easily sign up. It requires no certifications or whatsoever to sign up on Happen.com. These 4 websites or these 4 microtax websites are actually paying a lot of people money to work for them, and a lot of people are jumping on this microtax website. Let me know which of the microtax you have actually tried out and which one has actually paid you, or which one you intend to work with. With that being said, guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Do well to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.